You want a savvy meal from Lidl? Then keep watching this video.
Right guys, don't walk to Tesco's, run to Lidl, grab a basket and let's get to it. Right, first off, grab yourself some baby spinach. Also, grab yourself some mushrooms. Get yourself some of this Italian gnocchi with rosemary and thyme and oregano. Next on the list, you want to get yourself some of these new chorizo style pork sausages. You're going to need some chopped tomatoes. And finally, you want to grab yourself some fresh British double thick cream. Lucy, cook me something up.
Easy.
Right, so we're back home now, Lucy. So what exactly are you going to be cooking me?
Well, I'm just going to make a one-pan chorizo and gnocchi dish. But look at these sausages. How amazing do they look? RSPCA assured as well and gluten-free, but I don't know about this cream, Mark. You should have just got the double one. Anyway, I'm going to start off with cutting my mushrooms. And I'm going to get those into a hot oiled pan. Check out my pans as well. How groovy are they? Now get your sausages. All I'm going to do is grab one and cut them in. Using scissors is the way forward. So that's cooking away lovely, but I'm going to add some smoked paprika, some garlic granules, salt, not too much, obviously, because the chorizo, and some pepper. And we're going to leave this to cook off for about 5-10 minutes. So that's been cooking away now, so we're going to add the chopped tomatoes, the gnocchi, and this one is the rosemary, thyme and oregano. Get all those in. And we're also going to get the baby spinach in as well. I'm just going to add half this bag because there is a lot here. So we're going to give that a stir. We're going to get the lid on and leave that for about 10 minutes. Guys, if you like these videos, please press the follow button and thank you for all your support. So I've just added the rest of my spinach now. I'm just going to pop the lid on, leave that to wilt for about 5-10 minutes. So at this point, you'd actually put in some double cream if you want it more creamy. I'm going to leave it like this because obviously Mark bought the one for desserts. So let's dish it up. How nice does it look as well? And honest to God, if you could smell this, smells amazing. One thing left to do is taste it. Look at that. I'm dying for these sausages.
And there you go, guys. A nice, easy, savvy meal from Lucy Lou. Let's check this out and try these sausages, see if they're that good. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. And don't forget, guys, if you are enjoying these videos, please drop us a follow and a share. Thank you very much.